Okay, remember, welcome back. Welcome back to the this next episode. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to continue the simulation. Well, I can't wait to try this all out, see if it works. But anyway, we're going to enter information into the database as in play the game. So we've gathered all of the information. We've simulated the game. We've gotten the scores. If the scores are equal, then we assign winning team to -1. And I think it's about time that we enter the data. Now, so me.isPlayed. And, oh, wait a minute. So, hang on a second. Yeah, we're still in the form. Okay, so we can do it. Yeah. So me is played. All right, now, in this case, it's not me.homescore. It's just homescore. Yeah, I should have given that a different variable name. Oops, what happened there? Equal is greater than away score. So we're going to say win team. Oh, actually, wait, we already have... No, we've already set the win team. Now, hang on a second. It should be, all we need to do is winning team. Yeah, we don't want to use the why would I reuse the code? It's much simpler. We already figured all this information out. So me.winning team is win team. Yeah. So me.winning team is... Oh wait, that's right. We don't need this. Okay, hang on. I got a little mixed up here. Okay, so me dot home score equals home score. We got away score equals away score. Yeah, because win team, we've already set that to -1 if it's tied. And, you know, in terms of setting the max score and min score, well, I mean, I said if scores 1 greater than or equal to score 2. If score 1 and score 2 are equal, then it doesn't really matter because the max score... the max score and the min score are going to be the same anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. So let's see. See. And I think we already... Let's see. Have we handled tie game? Oh. And, okay, yes. So if win team equals -1, then me tie game equals true. I better do an else just to be safe there. Else tie game equals false. Okay. And that pretty much encompasses all of this. And that's... Oops, did I... Okay, they're deleting something. Okay. Wow, I wonder if that's it. It just seems... Oh, it seems like I'm missing something here, but let's see. Let's go ahead and... I have not debugged this ahead of time, so we're just going to go in and see what is up. Okay. So, Grand Rapids... well, you know what? Let's play it without a step through first, and then we'll just sim. We're gonna have an error. I'm sure we're gonna have an error. Oh, there you go. Okay, variable not defined. Game winner. Oh, I changed the name of the function, but I didn't. Okay, yeah. Get game winner. Now, hang on a second, though. Else get game winner. -1. Actually, you know what? Let me follow this through from. Well, okay, so yeah, I mean, if it were tied, win team would have a -1 value, and then that would be okay. Never mind. So that would be good. All right, let's see. Another variable not defined. I did realize this was still n earlier, so that I didn't have to change that. But apparently there's something else. Randoms. Oh, okay. Again, I changed the name of the function, but not the here. But I didn't change it here. Okay. Minor things so far. Let's see. All right. It was this one, right? 20 to 21. Okay. So it looks like that's been played. And let's just check this. So Rampage, so St. Louis, 21 winner. I'm just checking this. Maybe I should have kept the game ID visible just for now. It made it easier to check it. Okay. So we're dealing with game ID number 9. All right, this makes it that way I can look it up here and not have to guess which one it is. Okay, this is the one we just played. Okay, well, yes, that's 21 to 20 is played. That's good. And the winning team is yes, the winning team is team 11, which is St. Louis. That is the winner. Okay, that looks good so far. Let's do a few more, and maybe we can close this part of the project. I'll find other things to put in, but let's just play a few more here. Birmingham, Pittsburgh. Oh, we still have to do the standings and everything. So, Birmingham, Pittsburgh. Okay, Birmingham 28 to 14. That's game number 11. And away score is 28. Birmingham should be the away team. So away team is 7. Okay. Home team is 5. That's Pittsburgh. Home score should be 14, and it is. I want to see us get a tie game. But it looks like that's all. Looks like that's all good. Okay. Let's play a few more of these. I want to see if I don't know how often a tie is going to come up here. I suppose I could run a test function and just see how many times you get two scores that end up being the same. Actually, we could run a quick test function for that. I could rig something up, but let's just sim a few more. Let's just go down to the end of week 4. Let's say, just keep going. See if we have a tie. The scores seem reasonable. I mean, they're not out of bound. They're 21 to 3, 22 to 14. Oh, there's a tie. Okay. Grand Rapids and New Orleans did tie. I also want to make sure it's not too frequent. I don't know what too frequent is, but all right, let's check that one out. That is week 4. That's game ID 24. And winning team -1, home score 13, away score 13. Home team, so it's 12 at 9, and it's Grand Rapids 12 at New Orleans 9. That's team IDs. Yeah, there it is. I mean, it looks like it's working. We can kind of do a few more of these. I mean, in terms of what to do once a game has been played, that's another thing we have to look at, because I can play this game over again. I mean, we could still keep replaying these, and I guess there's nothing to. I guess I can keep going until we get a tie. Oh, we just got a tie. I mean, these scores are not. I mean, these scores are looking like typically what you would see. Let me rerun this game about. Actually, let's make sure it's between two. I want to see how often we get a tie score, but I want to make sure it's between two teams that are evenly matched. So let's try. Let's see. And tide as Boolean. This is just, I want to see how often ties come up in this. That's just like tide as Boolean. Do tide equals false. N as integer. Tide equals false. N equals 0. Do while tide equals false. So if I think if we could do if get random score equals get random score, right? Then tide is true. And if we don't even need the else. Oh, and we also want to have n equals n plus 1. Oh, actually, let's debug. I guess we got to put else. Just I don't know. I don't know why I'm doing this. Just what the heck. Let's save everything. just in case we get into some endless loop here. I don't see why we would, but okay. Where were we? All right. Test for ties. Take it away. All right. So one. Oh, you know, we should probably print one tie every n runs. Oh, debug print. That's right. I'm mixing up programming languages too often. Okay, let's go. Every 16, every 41. Actually, we don't even need this. This is just clocking things up. Okay. 24, every 5, every 36, every 2, every 32, every 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're one more. Okay, so we got it. We got 10 ties every, because I want to do a long-term average. 32, 38, 29. 10 ties. So that's one tie every 17 to 18 games. That might be a little too much. I don't know. Maybe we'll make it a little bit. I mean, I don't know how we make it lower. I guess you have fewer have the same number appear a little bit less often, but it'll be okay for now. That's acceptable enough. All right. Let's see. Is there anything else we could do real quick in this session? Well, I guess we could put a quick search screen. Let's put a quick search field here. And I am going to put another, let's see, what is this? This is a drop down. Okay, you know, all we got to do. Actually, wait, we could just take this if we want to filter, and maybe we'll put a more sophisticated filter in later. But show team. Let's make this not unbold and let's make it a little smaller. Okay. And let's say that. Let's keep this very simple for now. CBO team filt. And what we're going to do is we're just going to show every game where this is either the home or road team. And I'll just do a quick, simple after update. And if we want to do a more sophisticated search, we'll put that in later. Just something we can kind of squeeze in at the end of the episode here. Because I wasted so much time with all that test function, right? Okay. So what we're going to do is, let's do it this way. Let's say a filter on true and filter equals home team. Let me just double check. Oh, it's home ID and away ID. Okay, let me make sure. Home ID equals CBO team filt. At least there's no quotes here. These are all numbers. Or away ID equals the CBO team filt. And maybe we'll just put one more button here to reset it, just in case. I mean, we could do search by week, search by score, and all that nice stuff. But we'll do that. We'll save that for another time. Let's just keep this. Reset. There. Event. Click. And all we really have to do is me.filter on was false. I think that should be it. I don't know if I probably put a me.refresh, but let's just see if this works. I think that should be okay. Okay, it's not quite what I... Oh wait, now it... Hold up. That's not quite right. This one's correct. Now it's right. It's all Birmingham Stallions, well, except... Oh wait, why are there 2 in week 1? Okay, there's a little bit of a problem there. But, that could be a fault in making the schedule, but let's see. This one looks correct. I don't know why. Let's see. All right. There's something a little amiss. Well, I know there's a problem with the schedule itself because I got the same team showing up twice in the same week. And I don't know if that's because of an error in the search or an error in the schedule, but something doesn't look quite right. New Orleans Voodoo. Are there more than one Outlaws? Okay, well, I'm not going to troubleshoot it here. Well, in the next episode, we will troubleshoot that and see what's going on. But I think that is enough for now. So, I hope you're liking the video. I hope you're liking this series. Please like and subscribe to the channel. My contact information, if you need any assistance or have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.